Ignore or innovate with this one sentence. It can make your tomorrow brighter, or you can ignore it and go on with your day in a pessimistic way. It's a quote by Elizabeth Barrett Browning. She says, "Light tomorrow with today." 4 words that can make a hell of a lot more impact if you take action. If you're willing to change your tomorrow by using your today, the only moment is now. Don't think about the future. Don't think about the past. Think about now and how it's going to affect the future. So do you want to light it up or darken it down? The choice is yours. Choose.